Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlink your Facebook account from PUBG. So as you all know, you can create accounts on PUBG with your Facebook, so if you don't want to make use of other methods to create accounts, you can just make use of your Facebook account. So if want unlink or remove your Facebook account from your PUBG account, let me show you how it is done. So you can follow these steps. And your iPhone and Android device is a very easy steps. Just open your Facebook application hang with on your profile menu right here. After that, click on this J icon at the top right corner, and you need to scroll down to your activity. So just scroll down and look for your activity. Right under your activity, you're going to see apps and website. So click on that. Once you click on apps and website, you're going to show all the apps, all the games, and all the website you have connected with your Facebook account. To just look for PUBG in this list. So as you can see, I have PUBG right here, so you can also click on See More to see everything. So just look for PUBG and click on it. Once you click on PUBG, you're going to see the option to remove or unlink it, so click on Remove as Can. See, this will remove all your connections between Facebook and PUBG, which include Hame with Facebook. Just click on Remove and that's it. Very easy and straightforward. So if you have any question about this, drop them in the comments down below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.